Cold open. The thrill of flight, the thrill of discovery. Welcome to the world of the E88 Pro 4K drone. This marvel in miniature is about more than just a bird's eye view. It's about capturing memories, exploring new perspectives, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The E88 Pro 4K drone is your ticket to the skies. Its compact design houses a powerful 4K camera, enabling you to capture ultra-high-definition footage from the air. With its easy-to-use controls, even a novice can master the art of flight in no time, while the pilot will appreciate the drone's advanced features. From the sports field to the wilderness, the E88 Pro 4K drone is your eye in the sky. So why wait? Start your aerial adventure today. Remember, the world is full of wonders. Capture them with the E88 Pro 4K drone. And as we loop back around, remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the end of loop. The E88 Pro 4K drone, your ticket to the skies. And before we sign off, remember you can win this fantastic drone for yourself. Subscribe to Mundo Kart now for a chance to win an E88 Pro 4K drone in our special giveaway. Don't miss this golden opportunity.